May pips be upon you. When's the last time you had a good Aussie New Zealand trade, huh? It's been a while for me. Why? Because these two countries and their currencies are too close. They're too close. So they tend to move sideways. Just like euro, pound. They're very close. The currencies, the countries are very close. The banks are open at the same time, the same session. So there's no one is the trends are not there for a long time when they're there. But we're going to talk about it anyway. Let me tell you what I don't like. I just did. You see this range? Prices in. You can see it on the monthly, which doesn't give a lot of data. Uh, you see how it trended up and then trended down, and that this is a choppy way to rise, and but there was an impulse down, and that I appreciate. But then we've been in this sideways action since. When did we get into this thing? Since 2013, man. September 2013, we've been in this mess, and we are right smack dab in the middle of it right now. So that I don't care for. All right. All right. So that's what I don't care for. All right. Right now, we got a little ascending kind of channel thing happening here. You want to call it a bear, a bear flag. You can, I suppose. Um, but we're still in the middle of this big trading range, as you can see. All right. But we did have a breakout of this channel. That I like. That attracted my attention because you see the consolidation before we broke the channel. That's what I was looking for, a break below and then a retest of the level that it broke. And that's what we're getting right now. So let's zoom in on this. I'm going to point it out for your consideration. Here's that consolidation, which was great to play a range play on this one, from the top to the bottom to the top and all. But I was waiting for the break here. We got that break. We came down and came back up. Now I put the Fibonacci's on here. I put my Notchies on here, right? I put my Notchies on these. And from the swing high to the swing low, all right, you can see that we are at a very important area. Y'all know what I call this. You don't know what it's called. It's called the golden ratio, 618 Fibonacci retracement. All right, that's just saying the impulse was corrected 62%, rounded off, right? So what are we looking for now? We're looking for bearish price action. Hold on, we're looking for bearish price action right here. All right, maybe this level here will give us that bearish price action, and then we can see the engulfer down, the bearish engulfer down, so we can get on the next thing smoking downtown to Chinatown, right? All right. I really like these plays. I love the BRTs, the break and retest. All right. I coined that phrase, by the way. All right. I like that BRT. So that's what we're looking for. That's the setup. I want you to also, I did it again. I want you to also notice on the stochastics, we are oversold. Sorry, I did it again. We are overbought. We are overbought. We are overbought. What you want to see when you're overbought is that blue line crossing that red line to the downside. All right. It hasn't done that yet. All right. That is worth waiting on. All right. When you see that blue cross that red to the downside, that's when we're heading down. That's when you want to get on this. And you'll also notice that we have some divergence going, or developing rather. All right. Now we got a higher high, and what we want is it to look like this. That's what we want. Okay. So I don't know why I pointed it out then, right? I'm sleepy. I couldn't sleep, so I came up and did some analysis. So give me a break, all right? Don't laugh. All right, so we're overbought. We're in an extended market. We got that 618. It's time to look for a short. All right. I'm bearish on this market as it has been bearish. It's been moving bearishly since uh, the 26th of March. So let's see if this break in this retest will continue in the way it's been going. We got a lower low. We need that lower high to establish here so we can expect a new lower low. All right. I hope you found benefit in this. Hit the like button if you did, and hit the subscribe button if you don't want to miss new updates and new trade ideas when I pop them out, especially when I can't sleep. All right. I'll talk to you in the next video.